Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check if your iPhone is new, refurbished or a replacement. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make any mistake. So first of all, open up the settings of your iPhone and then tap on general and then tap on about. And on the top, on the number 4, you'll find your model number of your iPhone. Now only one thing you have to notice, that by which letter your model number starts. In my case it's M, that is the first letter of model number. And now I will show you the post that says if your model number starts with M, it was purchased new from Apple. The second says if the model number starts with F, it was refurbished by Apple or a carrier. If the model number starts with P, it was sold to as a personalized iPhone and with an engraving. And if the model number starts with N, Apple provided it as a replacement device for a malfunctioning iPhone. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any